Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase the new poses on Dress to Impress, and I'll be showing you guys a rundown of the poses as well. So to purchase it, go here and select the bag icon. It is the Messy Pose Pack, and it's 4,000 of the pink currencies. Just going to select confirm here, and then you'll be able to see it here. Oh, there's this one. So there's 7. Throw a fit. Belly. Oh, hello. Serve it. Okay. Cool. Work it dance. Work it, work it, work it. Walk backwards, which is interesting. And 6. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.